It's a very interesting question. Yash Patil says, my age is 20. I do want to walk on the beautiful path. I have watched the Patanjali Yoga Sutra series, due to which Vairagya and dispassion towards the material world came into my mind. The urge to see and run behind it has also decreased. Gurudev, I want to learn asana, pranayam, mantra, etc. Please guide me. How can I start my sadhana? How can I increase my dispassion? And I also think that currently my mind is not ready for Brahmgyan. Once it gets clean and pure, then I will understand and read all the Brahma Sutras. Please guide me. How can I walk on this beautiful path? Dear Yash, if you have already done Brahma Sutras whenever, and why would you need me to tell you anything more? Because Brahma Sutra is the ultimate crux of Brahma Vidya. So, it's just delaying the train because you are not dressed properly for the train. But if you really wish to finish your journey, then just board the train and don't worry about your clothing. Meaning, as you go by in your life, as you keep on doing your sadhana, as you keep on following more and more in love and doing seva and doing a very regimented practice of asana, pranayam, swadhyaya, listening to satsang, or coming to ashram and living here for a longer time, this will give you nice window to be a better person and to have a sattvic, pure mind, which progressively will make you eligible for Brahmagyan. But you don't have to read the sutras of Brahmagyan before coming to me. Leave that work for me. Don't do everything. And moreover, the Brahma Sutras should not be read by yourself. Vichar Sagar or Upanishad or Brahma Sutra should always be studied under the master, not sitting in library and just having a quick read onto the books. That's not sufficient. That is not even going to work. Other than making you egoistic, I have read Brahma Sutras. So you don't have to read Upanishads and Brahma Sutras before coming to me. Just try to make your mind wise enough, read enough, listen enough. What I have already taught, just go into that. If you can really digest what I have already taught, you will be in a very good place. But without fulfilling all that, don't be in a rush. And don't even delay it. Because I am not eligible, hence I'll work on myself and be eligible. Well, then I don't know how many lives will go by and still you won't be eligible. It's like saying to the doctor, because I am sick and I'm vomiting and there's diarrhea and I'm smelling horrible, I cannot come to you. I'll first heal myself. Be cured. And when I'm all healthy, then dear doctor, I'll come to you. Doctor will say, what for? What for will you come to me? It is tricky, I can understand. If you don't have a pure mind, jnana will not work for you. But that doesn't mean that you stay away from me to make your mind pure. And when it will be pure, then you will come to me. How do you know by that time I'll be physically alive and present? I can't give you any guarantee. Can you give me this guarantee?